stamp pads from the new catalogue that comes out in June, and I have a sort of a make and take that we made it on stage, and this is what it's going to be. So it's going to be this bird, the birds have been stamped and coloured in, and we were given the little kit while we was there, and I've saved it to make at home, and I'm going to make it now, although a lot of it's been already pre-stamped. So we've got Pool Party here, and here is some of the Bird Ballad DSP, and this goes with the Free as a Bird stamp set, and it's really pretty. It's how pretty it is, and it's all double-sided, and all we're going to do is we're going to stick that onto there. So we were given a piece of Pool Party and a piece of paper, and that is just going to go right on the front of our card. It's a very quick, easy card to make. I love this paper, it's really pretty. Lots of colours in it. Okay, and then this, which I actually stamped it when I was there, and I've coloured it in at home, and I have used some of Petal Pink on this, which is in the paper, and Daffodil Delight, Pool Party, and all the leaves of Old Olive. And as you can see, it was they've done it all yellow, but I decided to do it a little bit different as I was actually at home and I could use what I had available. So I'm just going to stick that onto the card front there. Oh, I should have put I haven't put my lace on, I'd forgotten about that. Let's just do that now. So we've got some lace here, and this is a new item as well. This is called scalloped lace trim. It's 1 centimetre scalloped lace trim. I'm going to wrap that around my card, which is what I should have done first. I'm going to tie a bow on this side. This is really pretty, this lace. So we all got copies of the new catalogue, and it's really good, and there's lots of stuff. It's really nice, and I'll be doing a few sneak peeks this week. If you watch my channel, I've got another 2 cards I think to make that we made when we was on stage that I'm going to make on camera for you, so you'll be able to see another few items available coming up. Okay, and now I'm going to stick that onto my card. I got a little bit carried away there. Forgot to put the lace on. Okay, and then a little piece of Old Olive, and we've stamped on there while we was at the show, and I'm going to stick that onto my card. Well, move that down a little bit. Okay, and there we go, finished. And I was lucky enough to actually receive the Free as a Bird stamp set while I was there on stage, so I can use this to make different cards as well. And don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.